Hello, thank you for clicking on today's daily message. I'm Marty Riome, and I work with the children of our parish and our preschool in the Catechesis of the Good Shepherd. This is a religious formation where children and adults gather together and listen to stories from the Bible and look at and explore things that we see when we celebrate Mass. The children have this openness to the wonder and awe of God. And oftentimes they are the ones leading the adults as opposed to the other way around. And I saw an example of this just a little while ago when I was working with our preschoolers in our atrium. The children were gathered all around the room doing all different kinds of activities. There was a child setting up our model altar, putting an altar cloth and our tiny chalice and paten on the altar. There were children pouring water into tiny vases, sorting pom-poms, stringing beads in the liturgical colors of purple, green, red, and white. And I was working with a group contemplating the parable of the precious pearl. A young family came in, touring the school and the atrium, and their child immediately went and sat at the Good Shepherd table. This is a table where we often contemplate how Jesus called himself the Good Shepherd. A good shepherd knows his sheep by name, calls them, and they follow because they recognize his voice. He gives them all of his time, all of his care, all of his energy, the gift of his very own life, so that they might have life and have it abundantly. Out of all the choices in the room, this child was drawn to this work. In fact, she didn't want to leave when her parents were ready to go and continue their tour. And it made me think, isn't this what Lent is all about? Can we take time in all our busyness, all our ordered chaos, to sit down in the presence of God, to contemplate and listen? Is he calling our voice? Can we spend some time with him? And what would this life in abundance be? I hope you have that opportunity during this Lent. And thank you for watching today. Have a blessed day.